Let's take a look at an example of time and materials pricing, right? Because with what we charge for our workers or laborers' time, we also need to get overhead covered and make a profit. And then for our materials, we need to get our materials related overhead covered and also make a profit there as well. So the first step is calculating the rate per hour of direct labor. So we need to take a look at what are we actually paying our workers. So their direct labor rate is $42.50 an hour. And then we need to cover our non-materials related overhead, and that comes out to $7.50 an hour. So when we add that together, we get what's called our hourly conversion cost. And then we need to add on the target profit in order to get the time we're going to charge for every hour of direct labor. So we get our target profit by taking that hourly conversion cost and multiplying it by that target profit margin amount. So in this case, we would have $70 would be what was charged per hour of direct labor. For our materials markup percentage, we're going to take our materials related overhead. So I had to fix up my example. Our materials rated overhead is 15%. And then we're going to add that to our target profit percentage of 40%. So our materials markup percentage will then be 55%. Now that we know what we're going to charge per hour of direct labor and we know the materials markup percentage, we can quote a job. So here we've got a job that is 8 direct labor hours. So our direct labor, we're going to take that 8 hours, multiply it by the $70 an hour. And then for the materials, we need to pass on the cost of the materials, $2,200, and then we need to add on our materials markup. So our materials markup is going to be 55% times that $2,200. So our time and materials price for this job the $560 plus the $2,200 plus the $1,210, $3,970.